Need to pay.
10 pesos.
I think it's just too much overwhelming. Not enough time. Biggest Baylosis spot! Biggest IKEA! Okay, we're here first time in IKEA, Philippines. We were super late. Our reservation was at 5 p.m. And likely the guards let us in kasi ngayon is almost 6 p.m. na. Okay, tara!
Go, Nikki. Look at Sophia with a stroller. Wow. Sophia umiyak kasi naiwan siya sa daddy kanina and she just woke up. By the way, this is the biggest IKEA, right?
I think so.
Let's see how big it is. Look, there's a sample up here. Okay, magiging...
Daddy.
Oh, what's that? That's for you, Mishka. Gaming room. Wow. Oh, look at this. How about this one? A kitchen. Wow, Pia, you like this kitchen?
Okay, so this is my room, my house. IKEA is actually coming from Swedish, and we've been before, but it was in Russia. One of my favorite places to shop because they build the concept already in, so you can see how it looks like and what's good combination. So, but this one is a kitchen, and everything here you actually can buy. How awesome is that? Oh, this is the carpets that I was looking for our room.
No, buy it.
Yeah, 1,900 to pick. No, we need to find the stuff. Yeah, I think this is just a showroom, but there will be our place where you can actually get.
Hey, look, we found something. Look at that. Look at this.
Hey,
So,
here we go.
walk-in
Here's the
closet.
walk-in closet.
Nice.
So you can assemble it at home.
Huh?
The closet you can assemble it at home. We're actually right now in the process of renovating our house.
Oh, this is the bathroom. Wow.
Now let's go to my house.
Oh, this is Mishka's house. Small one. So cute. With a couch, with a living room. Oh, and going upstairs. Wow, look at this.
Where's Daddy?
Sabi, ang ganda dito sa IKEA. Nakikita mo na talaga yung setup. Pwede mo nang kopyahin talaga. See another one, another room there. Okay, they say this is Sophia's house because of the small chair.
Did you pick it to the bed? Yeah.
No, I don't think I like the bed.
Huh? You like everything, baby?
Yeah, I like everything.
Mommy's gonna buy everything.
Is this your house?
Everything's small for Sophia.
Yeah, this is definitely for Sophia. Like with a small chair, a small bed.
Oh my god, there's just so many things. This is the furniture floor, and we already overwhelmed. The kids love everything. Look, just like 5 minutes ago, she was crying. It's gone. But I'm really hungry, so I'm hoping we can
Mom,
grab
can I
something.
just
Oh, you want like the white one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sophia loves it. Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Ooh, kape tayo. Oh, this can be like ano, parang for business. Wow. Oh, maybe we can bring this to ano, to Torres Farm. Kape tayo.
Yes, I
Wow.
want like this ano, kay Tita Connie.
Aha.
Yung sa ano, dining room. I like the
Yeah. Ito, parang office style.
Okay, so we finished some of the furnitures and tables and chairs. And then now we're entering the kitchen area.
Oh, the favorite of
Wow.
Nikki. Kitchen.
Wow, wow, wow. You know, I can't say anything except wow, wow, wow. Just really
Okay, now we're all in the kitchen. Kitchen appliances, Nikki. Kitchenware. Mommy. What's the face for?
It's like everything is needed. That's my face.
Alright. We're here now sa number 6 out of 27 and we've been here for 2 hours. Grabe, kung sa number 6 pa lang kami. Another maybe 3 hours kami dito. Wow. Crazy. So big, right, Pia? So big. We're in 1/4 ng place and it's been like 2 hours na. Grabe, ang dami. The design. Sarap papuntahin dito ni architect para to copy just one room. Okay, more bedroom stuff. Saan na? Walk-in closet. 94,000 the L shape.
Yeah, but this is a perfect size.
So right now we're about to go to the toy section.
Oh, looks like this is the toy section. What's this? It's still a room.
I found my friend Tiger.
Oh, this is cute.
Too small.
Too small.
Eat it.
Are you overwhelmed, girl?
Come here, Mama. We had to change it.
Okay, what's in here? Oh, look at this. It's like a toy section. Oh, this is the number 9 Children IKEA. This is the restaurant. Wow. Oh, the tray. Yeah, no, there we go. Mommy's getting it. Oh, how many trays do we need?
I remember one of the trays.
Oh, this is the menu.
Is this food for free?
Huh?
No.
No, we need to
Look at
pay.
it. 10 pesos.
Parang grocery siya, oh.
Okay, what portion of how many meatballs? 12, 16, or 20? How many meatballs? What's meatballs? Okay, sorry. 6 chicken wings. 6. I'm asking you.
Okay.
So excited, please.
Ah,
Are you open?
okay. Excited.
I'm so hungry. It's 8 o'clock. We haven't eaten yet. And I didn't eat lunch. We eat brunch.
Yes. And there's more to
And
go.
I'm so excited to
Kuya, anong oras ang close ng IKEA?
Si store po is 10. Si restaurant po, pwede po kayo mag-stay dito until 9:30.
Nice. Kaway-kaway muna, kuya.
Po, shout out po. And sir, promote ko na din yung channel ko at Jeff De Guzman po. Thank you so
Grabe,
much.
Guzman. Alright.
Okay, so the whole 3 trays is 125. This is, I think, more than enough for 5 people. Amazing price. This is the cheapest we've eaten so far for the past 3 days of being out of the house. Parang sa Okada kahit breakfast na nasa 1.5.
So now kailangan clean your own table. Then the kids are putting all the trays here. Go guys. You can do it, guys. Nothing goes to waste. All food is good for composting or biogas. Okay, now we're going down.
This is a joy to live with
Oh, wow.
Okay, it's 8:30. We're still here. We're just going for the next floor.
Market hall. Oh, okay. Look at the Mishka getting the trash can. Wow, that's only 70 pesos. Yeah.
Okay, we were looking at the bed sheets and look at this. Oh, the colors.
And it's cheap.
Alright, so after 4 hours we almost done. So this is the self-serving area where we're gonna get some of the furniture. Now we're in the carpets. So it's so satisfying and really fun, but you have to cook it in the morning, guys. In the evening it's just too much overwhelming. Not enough time. And the kids are fuzzy.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're already done shopping. We already went to the checkout. And now mommy felt a little hungry, so now mommy's gonna buy a hot dog.
Hot dog. Okay, so this is the what we bought. We bought. Look at that, the checkout. So many counters. Diba? Whoa. So big. The biggest IKEA, right, Nikki?
Yeah, so far.
Alright guys, we're so done. We just came out. It's really cold inside. That's why we get something to eat. Here's all our findings.
Can you come here?
Hold on.
Okay, there's a lot of things out of stock, but what we found here, just a little bit the kitchen carpet. This is something that Nikki got for her bedroom. She wants to redesign it. And yeah, basically everything is here. We had a really great time in IKEA. We really recommend for your family. So you guys can enjoy your time together. You can eat here, you can shop, you can have everything. But of course, don't forget that you guys need to wear mask inside. We had a really great time. You guys can eat here. Awesome food, right? Very cheap and good food for the whole family. And there's so much things to shop. I think every single mother will enjoy. A lot of things out of stock, but I'm just hoping that in the very close future, everything will be there. So I'll see